Hello everyone, welcome to this course on system thinking and problem solving for management. I hope you are all doing well. Before we start learning the actual syllabus, I would like to give you a brief introduction about this course. This will give you a help to understand why the subject is important exactly. That means how these subject concepts can help you in your career. Today, business are becoming more complex than ever before. Every organization faces different kinds of challenges such as improving customer satisfaction, increasing sales, reducing costs, and making better decisions. To solve these challenges, managers need more than experience. They need the ability to understand the problem, analyze the data, think creatively. So, develop practical solutions, and this is the exactly course all about. So exactly why system thinking and problem solving for management is very important. First point, understood the interconnected business problem. Imagine the sales of a company suddenly start decreasing. Many people might immediately think that the problem is very poor marketing. But is marketing really the only reason? No. Maybe customers are unhappy with the product. Maybe deliveries are delayed. Maybe competitor have introduced better products, or perhaps customer service is not responding properly. So all these are factors are very important to look into this the system to look into this connected. So instead of looking at only one problem, system thinking teaches us to understand how different parts of business work together. It helps us identify the actual root cause instead of simply treating the symptom. So basically the fourth objective is already talk about this. The primary core objective is to develop the systematic approach to solving business problems. Throughout this course, we will learn about the analyze situation before making decisions. Okay. So another important objective is to introduce the modern approaches like design thinking, predictive modeling, and artificial intelligence, which organizations use to improve business performance. By the end of this course, you will not only understood the concepts but also know how to apply them in real business situations. The course outcome is able to understand business problems from a broader perspective rather than focusing on a single issue. You will learn how to identify root cause using a structured problem solving technique. Okay. And also you will gain the ability to generate innovative solutions through design thinking. Also, you will also learn how to evaluate different solutions before implementation with the use of ethical responsibilities and involved while using the artificial intelligence. What skill you gain regarding the course first is critical thinking by learning how to analyze problem logically. Second one is problem solving. That means identifying the root cause instead of making assumptions. So like that you will strengthen your problem solving. Third one is decision making skills, which are not essential for every manager but for the business professional also. Another important skill you will learn about the data analysis, where you will learn how to use information to support business decisions. Also, you will also improve your creativity through design thinking and develop communication and teamwork skills. Apart from it, we are seeing the real world application in the system thinking in almost every modern organization. That means system thinking not problem only techniques. It companies like Amazon and Flipkart analyze customer behavior to improve shopping experience. Banks uses predictive models to detect fraudulent transactions. Hospitals analyze patient data to improve diagnosis and treatment. Manufacturing companies use system analysis to reduce production delays and improve efficiency. Even startups use design thinking to understand the customer needs before launching new products. So that is how we are focusing on the real world application. Now focusing on the syllabus. That means Unit 1, that means foundation of the system and problem analysis. In the Unit 1, we are not focusing only, we are just focusing exactly the fundamental about the system thinking and underrated understand how organization analyze business problems. Next, in the unit 2, we will learn about the data-driven decision using the identifying root cause and making the different techniques. Then we will explore design thinking where we learn how to understand customer need generation, creative idea, build prototype and test solution in the unit third. We will also study DB scan, a clustering technique using data analysis. Also, after that, we will more than go for the solution purpose. From the first three units, we are learning about the problem solving. And now, in the fourth unit, we are focusing on the system modeling. In the system modeling, we are focusing on the what if analysis, okay, predictive modeling, solution evaluation, which helps the business predict outcome before implementing the solution. Finally, we will learn about the prototyping, A by B testing, and data storytelling, which is the most important topics in ethics in AI, including the bias, privacy, and transparency. So, throughout this course, I will explain every topic using simple language, practical examples, and real world business. So let's start a journey of system thinking and real world problems. Thank you so much.